Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but one that I find very interesting so that you can be very careful with this because this causes the engines to seize, the engines to break. Look, they have brought a van, a Renault Traffic with a 1900 DCI engine to the workshop because the owner told us that the oil pressure light came on a long time ago, but the oil level light had been on for some time, and he left it until now when he had some free time and he brought it to the workshop. Notice that it is a work van, a work tool. Look why the light came on. As I say, first the light oil level and then the oil pressure. We have removed the oil drain plug from the crankcase. Look, this is the oil that has come out. This is all the oil that has come out. That is, there is not even enough to refill here a glass. It was without oil. And with this, what is achieved is that the engines seize and break. Look, here the problem I had is that the oil was leaking through the gasket, the crankcase gasket was bad, and then it was leaking through there. The oil, I should have brought it at the beginning. Well, I should have checked when the oil level warning came on. I should have checked if there was no oil or very little oil and not wait for the light to come on oil pressure. Because in many cases it's already late. It's late because the engine is working without oil and the engine seizes, it breaks. As I say, be very careful with these things. Well, here you have the short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.